Marcus West 3D Printing Company. We made a lot of redback solution spiders products. So, we made 20 redback solution spiders. Now that order is over. Now, the company Marcus West 3D Printing Company is coming back in high quality models. The future train will be train building, Marcus West 3D building will be a train building, building like on train in the future. Marcus West 3D printing business somewhere in Wickham in the future. Might be in Wickham in the future. Marcus West 3D printing business being magnet, new Wickham, a new building disrupted by a Japanese company. Also, 1897, the Marcus West 3D printing company came with high quality deals. Deals was Racy Junk. 1897, it printed Racy Junk. In 1899, the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1897, the Eagle Nest Printing Tower. In 1899, the church model of the church and the priest. In 1896, we printed the castle planter, the animal planter model. In 1999, we printed the jungle elephant jungle. In 1997, we printed the elephant jungle. In 1999, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1996, we printed the massive replica of Buddha Tower. In 1999, we printed the Story building, the Story Library building. In 1997, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1997, we printed a steam train. In 1996, we printed a diesel train. In 1997, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1999, we printed the Blue Mountain Tower model. In 1996, we printed the Decoration Tower of Eagles. In 1997, the Birmingham Southern Quad Station. Thank you for watching. Mike Express 3D Mike Express 3D Printing Company. We made on the Redman Solution Smiling. What up? So, we made train departs. Marcus Express door closing. Please stand clear. Train departing. Stand clear when the Marcus Express is on its feet. Stand clear. Doors closing. Please mind the gap. Boarding the Marcus Express original. The dining car is now open for menus. Get first meals for the dining car. The dining car is open for lunch and dinner. Get lunch and dinner in the dining car. The dining car is now closed. Get fresh meals online. The Marcus Express website will come to you. Blue River, Nature Valley, Green Meadows, Waterfall Creek, South Creek, Ocean Valley, North Zoo, Blue Moon, Sunset Valley, Blue Moon, Marcus Express Terminal, this train and terminal. Sleeping cars are available. Book a Marcus Express website to book your sleeping cars, beds, or sleeping cars. Book for your restaurant car. Customers advised. The restaurant car will open at 6:30 for lunch and dinner. Lunch at 12:30. We'll open the dining car for lunch. And 6:30 for dinner on the dining car.
High quality.
For your safety, seats are on board the Marcus Express original Sutter train. Doors on the right. Please for safety. No smoking allowed. The Marcus Express train is illegal. Thank you for Marcus Express operation. Safety wise. Customers who are traveling on Marcus Express Golden Line, please change trains at Marcus Express Terminal. Change trains here. Customers advised. This long is a express train only. Stopped only at major stations. If you want to go to the major stations, you can just slow up Marcus Express original train today. For your safety, cars are available for sleeping cabins and restaurant carriages. Please book on the Marcus Express website for sleeping cars. Carriages are available. Book on Marcus Express website.com.au for passenger cars. Newcastle 3D printing. Newcastle 3D printing. Watersoft. Newcastle. Bottles of the cells. Many bottles of the cells. The Newcastle, the Wickham. Marcus Express, really printing sign. Passports, event to our 4 of the dance. Riding K1 speeding next to the passport event to our 4. This office will be the 3D office where all the orders with 3D orders get made, get pre-ordered. This order of 3D models.
In 1997, the company was going to World War II.
3D models in the Newcastle, the Wickham.
World War II company.
Old space. Old space.
New design.
Filament space. See, all the filament space. On the desk. You can see food factory. space. Repeat.
1997.
Yeah, at the top, space.
1999.
Non-models, model space.
We made the castle, Phantom,
Model space. The scene space.
1999.
All the models and all the tenement space.
1997.
Reprint for orders. This is where new place for orders get in place. Place is ordered and placed here. It's near Wickham. The shop near Wickham has near Wickham has been building tenement space. Like in the scene, small space. And in the bag, like the best feeding printing bag. With the white express feeding printing sign at the top of it. Printing for the future. Printing another models. All the space. All the models. Models to print. Prepare the shop. In 1897, we put the Eagle Nest Printing Tower. In 1899, we put the church model of the church and the priest. In 1896, we printed the castle planter, animal planter model. In 1999, we printed the jungle elephant jungle. In 1997, elephant jungle. In 1999, the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1996, we printed the massive replica of Buddha on the tower. Buddha Tower. Tower in 1996. In 1999, we painted the Eagle Tower. In 1997, we painted the Eagle Tower replica of the next model. In 1996, we painted the Tower of Eagles. In 1997, we painted the Road model. The Road model. Of the Titanic ship. In 1996, we made a replica of the trains, the Big Boy train. In 1997, we made a model of the product Webspider Nest. In 1999, we did a Carson Planter model, Carson Planter Nest. In 1997, the Eagle Nest Tower. Mike Express 3D printing company came back with high quality deals and quality. In 1996, the company came back printing a holiday product using the model builder of the massive Carson product. In Express train set. In 1997, we made the castle decoration set. In 1997, we made the castle puzzle. In 1997, we made a parcel and model. In 1999, we made a puzzle. In 1997, we made the castle decoration tower. In 1997, we made the castle eagle tower. In 1999, we made the castle decoration tower. And then in 1997, the company was going to World War II. World War II ended with the Mike and Smith World War II company. Mike and Smith Reading the company started again. Get new design. Now the company comes back. The company came back. High quality products and services. The product was cat food holders, dog food holders, and animal food holders. And when the company came back, the high quality products still. When the company came back, the food shop, the company will be making model trains. Food shop, 3D printing, will be making a new building somewhere else in Newcastle. Food shop and 3D printing in Newcastle somewhere. Mike and Smith 3D printing company printing for the food shop. Mike and Smith 3D. Beeping Red Back Solutions we made not on customize the logo and business name. Visit the Mike and Smith 3D printing company. 1997, we made an airport with planes and aircraft. In 1997, we made the Mike and Smith Rough Base. In 1999, we made the Basic Pool. In 1997, we made the Castle Decoration Tower. In 1999, we made the Castle Decoration Puzzle. In 1997, we made the Castle Planter Decoration Tower. In 1999, we made the Racing Farm. In 1997, we made the constructed by the Japanese Company. Also, in 1897, the Mike Express 3D printing company came with high-quality deals. The deals was the Racy Jungle. In 1897, we printed the Racy Jungle. In 1899, the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1897, the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1899, the church model of the Church of Peace. In 1896, we printed the Castle Planter, Animal Planter model. In 1999, we printed the Jungle Elephant Jungle. In 1997, we printed the Elephant Jungle. In 1999, for the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1996, we printed the massive replica of Buddha on the tower. Buddha Tower. In 1999, we printed the Stoy Building, Stoy Library Building. In 1997, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1997, we printed a steam train. In 1996, we printed a diesel train. In 1997, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1999, we printed the Blue Mountains Tower. In 1996, we printed the Eagle Tower Nest. In 1999, we printed the Eagle Tower Station Building. In 1996, we printed the Eagle Tower Nest Tower. Zoo Tower. In 1997, we printed the Castle Planter model. The Planter in Castle Planter in 1997. Planter Tower printer. In 1996, we printed the Italy replica of the Italy Tower. Tower of Pisa Tower in 1996. In 1999, we printed the Eagle Tower. In 1997, we printed the Eagle Tower replica of the Nest model. In 1996, we printed the Tower of Eagles. ended with the Mike Express 3D printing company to come up with plans to get the company back in business. In 1999, we printed the Castle Decoration Tower. In 1996, we printed the Eagle Nest Tower. In 1997, we printed the Newcastle Custom House replica. In 1999, we printed a replica of the Titanic ship. In 1996, we made a replica of the train, the Big Boy train. In 1997, we made a model of the product with Spider Nest. In 1999, Castle Planter model Castle Planter Nest. In 1997, Eagle Nest Tower. Mike Express 3D printing company came back in high quality, deal quality. In 1996, the company came back printing a high-end product, including the model product of a massive castle product planter. In 1999, the Castle Planter Decoration Tower. In 1996, we printed a massive tower of trains. In 1996, we printed the Melbourne Double Bus model. In 1999, we printed the replica of the Castle Planter model. In 1996, Castle Decoration Tower. In 1999, decoration of the nine replica statue. In 1999, we printed high-quality In 1996, we printed a Nest Tower. In 1997, we printed the massive Ship Harbour of Newcastle. In 1999, we printed the Castle Decoration of White. In 1997, we made the model of Melbourne House. In 1997, we made the Castle Decoration Eagle Nest. In 1999, we made the Monarch Express train set. In 1997, we made the Castle Decoration lot of Redback Solutions 5 bank holidays.